Are you ready to make a drastic change in your life? Are you tired of being trapped in credit prison? Well, if you're looking for a quick fix, I want to remind you that quick fixes are usually trouble. You know the old saying, if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. At our company, we'd rather tell you the truth than simply tell you what you want to hear. Typically, the time you waste trying all the quick fixes on the internet and the information from cheap ebooks is better spent simply doing things the right way. In this short video, I want you to learn not only what you can truly expect if you decide to get started on the path to credit worthiness using our company, but I want to do what no other credit repair company does. I want to explain the how. I will actually pull back the curtains and put in plain words the real how behind the success of an honest, legal, moral, and ethical credit repair company. If what you truly want is honest, legitimate, and realistic expectations, instead of the hype from everywhere else, then you're in the right place. What you will quickly see is that there is an affordable, legitimate, and fairly quick solution available. So turn off your cell phones and text for the next few minutes, because you won't believe what you're about to hear. Creditors, credit bureaus, banks, and the government will have you believing that negative items must stay on your report for 7 to 10 years. And to some degree, they're right. It will stay on for nearly a decade if you don't take steps to repair it. Credit is used in virtually every aspect of our society, whether it is to purchase a car, home, boat, insurance, or even to get a job. Your credit is the ticket to all of the things you need, at costs you can actually afford. Those who have bruised credit pay more for everything. Now is the time to end this for yourself. Take action now. Learn the truth. Creditors, credit bureaus, banks, and the government actually spread propaganda that items on your credit report that are accurate cannot be removed, and some even say credit repair is illegal. Even worse than that propaganda is the misinformation that most credit repair companies profess. You know the ones that I'm talking about. They say things like, "We have a former credit bureau insider working for us." Or, "We guarantee to remove everything bad from your credit report." Or the worst, "We create letters that simply say, the account is not yours." Then the credit bureaus delete the items because they don't have time to respond. Well, this short video will quickly dispel all of those myths and blatant lies about credit repair, and will show you how credit repair truly works. First, for anyone who says credit repair is illegal, the government passed the Credit Repair Organizations Act in 1996. This act sets standards and regulations for how credit repair organizations can legally operate. Since there is a law governing credit repair companies, this clearly identifies that credit repair is legal. Some say that accurate accounts cannot be removed, and only time can help your credit. Those are the same people that profit from your bad credit. Yes, it's true. I said it aloud. Banks, credit bureaus, collection agents, and the government actually make more money when your credit is worse. Banks make more because they can charge higher fees. Credit bureaus make more because they can charge more for bad credit data. And people with credit issues apply for credit more often, which means the bureaus sell more data. And finally, the government profits all the way around from taxation of the huge companies and from gargantuan campaign contributions to keep all this under wraps. The system is a sham. The truth is simple. Accurate accounts cannot be removed if, and only if, they are reporting 100% accurate data that is verifiable and timely. The second part of the sentence is usually left out to enable the big companies to make more money. And here's the curtain pullback, the truth that most credit repair companies either don't know or are too underhanded to share with you. The truth is simple. There are a bunch of laws to protect consumers from the actions of banks, collection agencies, and credit bureaus. One of them is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It was put in place because banks, collection agents, and credit bureaus were taking advantage of consumers. Here's the scoop on that one. The act has a provision that mandates all items on a credit report must meet 3 basic reporting principles. They must report 100% accurate data, and must report 100% timely data, and must report 100% verifiable data. Now, you'd think that the banks, credit bureaus, collection agents, and creditors keep accurate accounts, wouldn't you? Well, the truth is frightening. Government-sponsored studies have shown that up to 79% of credit reports contain errors, and nearly 30% of those errors are serious enough to cause credit denial, and the remaining cases cause consumers to pay thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars more for credit. Now, do you see why banks make more money when you have bad credit? Since laws clearly state items must be 100% accurate, we audit your credit and search for true inaccuracies. Even partially inaccurate data on an account is costly. Sections as simple as a date can cost you dearly in credit score and possible approval for a loan, car, home, insurance, or even a job. Items can legally stay on your credit report for up to 7 to 10 years from the date of the last payment on the account. Nothing in the law prevents the accounts from being removed prior to. The law only discusses the maximum amount of time, which is 7 to 10 years. Unscrupulous creditors will often falsely change the date of the last payment to continue reporting the negative data. But that's clearly illegal. All items must be 100% verifiable. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. You have legal rights. And what real, honest, legal, and ethical credit repair companies do is help you understand your rights and use different tactics to get the illegally reported items off. Now, some people would ask, shouldn't I hire an attorney? I've seen online law firms that do credit repair at a low cost. First, if hiring an attorney is the option you think is best, please make sure to find one that specializes in consumer protection laws. Most don't fully understand the process, unless they do it every day. Now, for the online law firms, think about this for a minute. I've seen some of their advertised fees in the $30 to $40 range. Attorneys go to school for a long time. Do you truly think that an attorney could ever afford to work on your case for $30 to $40 and come close to paying their student loan bills? Really? Any attorney that would work for $30 to $40 an hour is an attorney that I'd be scared to hire. The reality is, when you see online type law firms that advertise credit repair, run away. First off, they're starting a relationship with you the wrong way. They're starting based on deception. They make you think that an attorney is actually looking at your case, when most of the people who touch your file probably never even drove past a law school. The average credit repair company, or ebook, says to simply send a frivolous letter that states, "Items are not mine." That strategy is not only immoral and illegal, but it hasn't worked well for many years now. Would you want to start a relationship with a credit repair company based on a lie? Or an online law firm based on deception? I know I wouldn't. So, if you want the truth, want to understand the true credit repair process, and the real deal behind it, then there's only one place to go.